some water for you. Right, let's move you over here. There you go.
Hi, Crocker. Don't the flowers smell great today?
Wait up, Zooter. You've got pollen on your nose.
Pollen?
It's a special dust flowers make. Gives some folks the... Whoa! Sneezes!
Oh, hello, Elevan. Gesundheit.
Oh, sorry, everyone.
Elevan, what's the matter?
I just keep on... sneezing.
I know what you've got. The flower sneezes.
Flower sneezes? You mean the flowers are making me sneeze?
Don't worry, only lasts a couple of days. Just while the flowers make this pollen.
How am I going to get all these deliveries done?
How about I come along and keep everyone out of your way?
Okay. What does your sign tell us, Bungo?
Can you help? What do you think this sign means?
It means we need to watch out for this yucky, muddy puddle.
That's it! Thank you!
Look out!
Whoa!
Gesundheit!
Sorry, Bungo. I've got the flower sneezes.
Yuck! No mud for me!
Watch out, Toad! We've got to stop you sneezing, Elevan, before you cause an accident.
Before?